Hello from AlphaCars and Motorcycles. We're here in our main Boxborough location with a very special car. This is a 1972 Mercedes-Benz W108 chassis 280 SEL 4.5. This is a legendary platform, renowned for its quality and serviceability. You can literally keep this car running forever. This particular example has less than 90,000 miles on it. Just a tick under 88,000 miles as I write this. And as you can see, it is in amazing condition. This is a very rare and desirable phantom gray paint. This car has been in the same family since 1973. It was purchased as a one-year pre-owned vehicle in 1973 on the West Coast and has been serviced and lovingly cared for by a father-daughter family since then. And as you can see, the condition is just unbelievable. Brand new tires, all service work done. Recently, over $8,000 of work put into this car. It's had more than $20,000 put into it over the last 10 years. And you can just see it's amazing. The glass is beautiful. The chrome is beautiful. It's so much nicer than any car nearly 50 years old has a right to be. And look at this. That dashboard pad is beautiful. All the chrome. We do have an aftermarket radio. But look at that. Mercedes-Benz air conditioning unit. Those are your window switches down there. And just look at the condition of these seats. Oh, it's so beautiful. The carpets are in great shape. And let's check out the wood. Now there are some minor blemishes in the wood, but nothing really to speak of. And the chrome looks fantastic. It's really here, mostly here on the top trim piece that comes here near the dash. A little delamination going on there, but wow, everything is just so sweet. And here's one of the best parts. You know when they talk about Mercedes quality, this is the door sound they're talking about. It's like a bank vault. Let's go into the back seat. And oh, again, just look at this. Look at the detail here on the back of the front seats. Look at the headliner. And then the back seats back here as well. The vehicle is equipped with seat belts. Mercedes, of course, has always had a long reputation for safety. And let's check out this. The center armrest folds out from the bottom. What a beautiful touch. Very clever, classy, beautiful car. As we look down the passenger side, very few blemishes to even speak of. This car does have paint meter readings which are in line with a new car. We have with factory paint meter readings, we have a couple of small marks there, a couple of scratches on the chrome there. Again, nothing appreciable from far away. Little mark right here. In fact, if I wasn't pointing them out, you probably wouldn't see them unless you were right up on top of them. And again here, just the very smallest of marks right there. But unbelievable. Coming around to the back, the chrome on the bumpers and the rubber look fantastic, as they do on the tail lamps, which are clear. And the trim badging. Everything here is just so beautiful. We do have a small chip here. It is through the top coat, is not all the way to the metal, it looks like. Coming around to the side. I mean, just this car is so long and beautiful. It does have all of the hubcaps, match that beautiful gray. And let's get behind the driver's seat, shall we? This is a beautiful place to be. All of the gauges work, of course. The steering wheel is beautiful with that horn ring, soft padded button in the middle, the bake light all the way around. The steering wheel looks great. There's no cracks in it. And if we're very quiet, we can hear the ticking of the clock. This is a beautiful car. an impressive car, a car of quality, stature, and one that will always be desirable. And you have the factory support and serviceability built in for this car to last forever. Check out more information on the web at alphacars.com. And if you're interested in this or any of our other vehicles, please give us a call, 978-263-9000.